If you're trying to scalp and you don't want to stay in the trade for long, you can switch down to the 5 minute after you mark up your 15. Top of the Bollinger Band, you see how there's a subzone right here. A subzone is basically a key support level in between a channel of two very important support and resistances. So this is the high, and this is the previous low. And if you just look to the left, you can stretch this bad boy across a lot of days. I mean, a lot of minutes. You know what I'm saying? It respects this. Okay, that's how you confirm very important positions on the chart. This position right here, I call this a subzone because it's important, but it's nowhere near as important. The only reason why I consider this important is because of this candle pattern right here. So after the huge impulse, comes up, it's starting to form the ABCDE pattern. That's what I'm looking at. So this is my confirmation to confirm this is the beginning of a check mark. Remember how I was explaining that to you, David?
Yeah.
That's whenever you're looking for the swing low or the swing high. And if you just come look at these candles. Oh, I didn't mean to draw that. Look, 1, 2, 3. If you would have entered off the third wick, right? Remember how I tell you to do your first entry off the third, and if it gives you a fifth wick, enter off the fifth wick as well. Third wick, look, dude, if you would have got in right on a buy, because you're trying to trade the reversal, right? Remember, you're not staying in this trade for long. Look, you went instantly into profit.
Just till it hits that zone and get out.
Right? Exactly. So that's what I'm trying to let y'all know right now. If you guys are trying to make some money right now, if you see price come up right here, I would get in a short-term sell till like down here, like perfect scenario, you would like it to tap here on this zone. But trading is not perfect. As you can see right here, it didn't touch. If it comes down this low, take your profit, okay? So I would look for a short position at this subzone. But you have to realize in this position, it also could be the reversal because I said it could come back up and try to make this W, try to finish this W, right? And this is going to be the second leg, and it could try to do its huge liquidity purge drop off. So that's why I say be on the lookout. You can either get your entry in right here, or if you're more patient, look for the pullback, because I see this zone coming up and it's going to play around. Like, could go up, it could break the high. I don't see it breaking the high. I see this as a bearish. So this is out of my mind. Like, I'm not thinking about it, but it's still in the back of my head. But I do see a higher high being formed, not a lower high being formed to match the V or the W, whatever you want to call it, and then crash. And this is the entry you want to load up on, because basically your stop loss is going to be so tight. You basically just want to put it above this wick. You see that wick right here? You want to put it like 5 pips above that wick. So like something around here. And if you're trying to catch your entry right here, you could put a nice positioning, like leverage wise, because your stop loss is going to be so tight. So like, let's say you got in right here for a sell and your stop loss is up here. You can't leverage nowhere near as much. You know what I'm trying to say? That's why I say